To Legal Wisdom IS Judicial Academy. Today we are going to start our new subject, which is Contract 2. The Contract 2 subject is also known as Special Contract. So before coming into the subject, let us understand how to write any answer, how to write any law answer. The basic ingredients, the basic things which has to be written in an answer is, we can summarize it in IDESK, that is IDESK. So whenever you are starting any answer, the very first should be an introduction of that subject, of the topic. Then you have to write the definition of the topic, then followed by the essentials of the topic, then followed by sections given in the statute, that is law, and then to be concluded with the case law determined by K. So let us take an example. The very first topic which we are going to study in our contract 2 is called as contract of indemnity. As per the formula we have studied, the very first thing we have to write is the introduction. Let us see the introduction. The very first answer is contract of indemnity. This contract of indemnity is very important for your 15 marks, as well as for your short answers, as well as for your part C. So to understand what is indemnity, what is contract of indemnity, we need to understand what is indemnity. So indemnity means to make good the loss. Indemnity means to make good the loss or to compensate. कि अगर किसी का नुकसान हो गया, वो नुकसान को सही करना, नुकसान की भरपाई करना, that is called as to make good the loss or to compensate. In other words, it is a protection against the loss. Protection against the loss. Example, when we are traveling on a bike, when we are going on a bike, we need to have 4 documents. One is the license, second is the RC, third is the pollution control, and fourth is the third party insurance. So if the accident happens, then the loss is borne by the insurance company. It is an example of contract of indemnity. The third party insurance is a contract of indemnity. It is in the form of promise. This contract of indemnity to be in the form of promise to pay. That is payment for the loss of money, goods, etc. Then it can also be understood by who is making the promise and who is